Follow these steps to buy the ZXO token on Trust Wallet through the Uniswap exchange. First, open Trust Wallet and tap on the Buy button. Search for Ethereum and select it. Purchase at least $50 worth of Ethereum using Binance Connect, or receive Ethereum by tapping Receive and using the contract address or QR code. Now tap on the dApps section at the bottom of the Trust Wallet. At the bottom of Trust Wallet, open Uniswap Exchange from the list. Collect Uniswap to Trust Wallet by tapping Connect Wallet, then Wallet Connect, and finally Connect. On Uniswap, tap on Select Token. Copy the ZXO token smart contract address from CoinMarketCap. Paste the copied address into the Uniswap search bar and select the ZXO token. Tap I understand to acknowledge the warning. Tap on the settings icon and set the slippage to 8% for a smoother transaction. Enter the number of tokens you want to buy and tap Swap. Review the transaction details and then tap Confirm Swap. Go back to Trust Wallet home screen. Tap the search icon and search for the ZXO token by entering its symbol or smart contract address. Tap on Add Custom Token. Ensure the network is set to Ethereum and paste the token's contract address. The ZXO token should appear. Tap Done. Now go to Trust Wallet homepage to confirm that your ZXO tokens have been added successfully. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.